Well, hi everyone, Sean Humphreys here. Welcome to All Things Retirement. Well, in this installment, we continue to be doing just short little videos. I'm in Greece right now, basically Athens. We'll be doing some conference attendance and doing a little tootling around, my wife and I, in Athens and the surrounding area. And I'll have some future videos that'll talk about that experience and link it to the All Things Retirement journey and information that we provide on a regular basis on this channel. So in this video, I'll continue with the theme of some of the conference discussions on investment planning. And in today's discussion, we'll talk about sort of geographic opportunities. So when you look at the global economy, and I hear from the portfolio managers, the asset managers we use to build and construct retirement portfolios, some interesting themes coming up. So I'll just share two or three interesting themes. So the first one is, again, this idea that, and I talked about in the last video, that value investing may in fact come back into favor. In a low inflation rate environment, being a value investor was a tough place to be. The market definitely favored growth, and we're probably transitioning into a period where value investing will be a style of investment management that can add value to portfolios. The next thing is valuation levels. So in spite of the decline in capital markets over the last year in 2022, we're seeing the reality that the U.S. market is probably at fair value. There's probably not great value in the U.S. market today. But as you survey the world opportunities, a couple of areas that will provide opportunities. First of all, Canada. So Canada's economy is doing well. It's firing off on a lot of the important cylinders. The tragic war in Ukraine, although it's tragic for that area of the world, presents opportunity for other areas. So one country's tragedy is another country's opportunity, and particularly in Canada, the demand for oil, gas, mining, and even soft food commodities will be at a premium, and so that will be very much a win in the sails of the Canadian economy over the next little while. So if you look at geographic allocation, Canada will be a good place to be. Japan offers very good valuation levels, so you're seeing portfolio managers begin to tilt or look at Japan. So historically, investors have always wanted to have their cake and eat it too, meaning they want immediate liquidity of their investments and above average returns. And obviously that is a proposition that's very difficult to provide to investors. It doesn't mean you can't get competitive returns in the capital markets, public markets, but that requirement for immediate liquidity does handcuff portfolio managers to a certain extent. And so the private equity space, the infrastructure space, where there is less liquidity, you can still get portions of your money out over time, provides an incredible opportunity, I think, for a total return experience that is maybe potentially better or at least less volatile than traditional public markets for investors. So it's for those investors who have sufficient value in their portfolios that they don't need all of their assets to be liquid, and they can be patient with other parts of their portfolios to grow, wealth over time, and to give those private equity and private partnerships the opportunity to do that for you. Well, it's my hope that you found the ideas presented in this video helpful, and if you want to find out how you can apply some of these ideas to your own portfolio, make sure you visit the show notes. We'll take you back to our website where you can arrange a complimentary analysis. As well, you can find out how you can get your own complimentary retirement income planning forecast to confirm if you're tracking in the right direction. And finally, on our homepage, we've got some free educational resources you can obtain as well. Anyway, wishing you all the best in your retirement and overall wealth planning journey. You take care. Bye-bye.